Oh, of course. I think seems to handle the wind pretty good.
For a foamy.
For an anything. Wow. Yeah, I love this little thing. What was this? The B-10 or something like that?
Yeah, B-10B.
You call it Bolo, right? Bolo,
No,
Bolo
this
bomber?
one didn't have a name.
Oh, it did not?
B-18 was the Bolo.
Oh, okay, okay.
They didn't get into naming their airplanes for this one.
Well, she's handling the breeze very well. That's all your planes do. Yeah, slices right through it.
Looks like she's waddling through.
Well, no worse than the RB1.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't feel comfortable taking her up.
No, not at all. She's still floating around, right?
Yeah.
All right, all right. Yeah, I just pulled up. It's not windy at all on the north side of the valley.
No, I'm trying to get down.
Okay.
Yeah, you're out there near Wickiup and Wickenburg and all them Wiki cities up there, and there's nothing up there.
Hochhaus. And that's a Barrett B-10. He says that's scratch built foam. Motors and speed control.
Pre-war colors really do look nice. Oh, nice crab. Oh, she's just yaw going.
I know.
Awesome.
Barrett, does it have a rudder?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it looks really cool, kind of just crabbing its way through the air.
But by the time you need to rudder one way, you're going the other.
No, no.
Yeah.
Another reminder, I got
yeah.
extra pins up here. Pilots, if you're going to be announced, with the wind here, we're having some problems with kids' numbers. There's some extra pins.
Man, that looks good.
Put the numbers to keep them down in place so that we know what's going
Barrett,
on.
that plane actually presents really well.
I know.
It really,
I love that yellow wing.
yeah, it really does.
Bright yellow wing.
And that little goofy front turret these things had. It's just a neat looking plane. Was this a 4S ship or like 2-3S or something?
This 4S.
Okay.
One 4S battery, 6250.
One 4S battery to rule them all.
Yes. Landing.
Take it off. Just kidding. Wow, how dramatic with the music and everything.
I know.
Perfect.
Well. Oh, nice job.
Woo. I know.
Hey, she even texts as well.
You know what's the best part? You don't know the best part.
Get that on TikTok.
You don't know the best part. Last night, I was looking through my sound files, music files. I was about to match Alice Cooper's "Hey Stupid" to my cell phone for my ringtone. Can you imagine if that went off? Hey, 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 hey.
Sweet.
Hey, stupid.
Sweet.
Woo.
That's really cool.
Very,
That was
very
like riding a
cool.
Bronco,
Nice,
man.
Barrett.
Yeah, that's very cool, brother. Very cool. Oh, so there's the, okay.
Just remember, it's all about how you actually touch the ground.
Yeah, that's correct.
You can do all of this and go crazy.
Exactly.
You do this right when you touch it.
Exactly.
It's all good.
Scored. Nailed it. All right, brother. We'll catch up with you when you take her up again after a warm-up flight and go from there.
All right.
All right. Barrett Hochhaus and his Martin B-10. We're at the Arizona Electric Fest. It wouldn't be AEF if it wasn't windy. So there's the win. Anyway, great job. All right. Thanks, Barrett.
Thank you.
If you want to know how